What's up, guys? 2018 Gold Standard Random Divisions Full Case number 1. Time step 1216. Got the divisions in, got the names in. Randomize both, throw you in a spreadsheet. Wherever you end up, that's who you get. Dice 4 or more, it's a 5. 5 times on the divisions. 2, 3, 4, and 5. AFC North on top, NFC East on the bottom. KTDJNX is the code. Do the names. Again, 4 or more. It is a 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Dwayne Moore on top. Ralph on the bottom. RFDHTW. Code for the names. There you go, guys. That's who you got. Good luck, everybody. And we're done. 12/18. Thanks, guys.